Good morning, people. Welcome back to the channel. Today we in the Chevy Silverado. We going to the gas station because we need gas, and we are going to Gibson Exhaust for the Inland Pre-Runners truck meet. I guess I don't really go to truck meets, but I decided, you know what, my friend's throwing it, so why not? So let's get gas, let's fuel up this hoe, and let's get to the truck meet. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. There we go, boys. Finally some good weather. Mighty freaking fine. She's all cleaned up, thank God. It took so long to get all the dirt off of this thing. It's literally been weeks. The weather has been so bad lately that I haven't had the chance to even get this thing clean because it rains every other day, but she looking mighty fine. Okay, so it's a clear day today, but over there there's some dark clouds, and over there there's some dark clouds, and behind us there's some dark clouds. So hopefully it doesn't start raining because I didn't bring a rain jacket. I just brought a normal jacket. So let's pray. Look how dialed this thing is. Brand new Raptor. So hard. For the longest I was considering selling my truck to buy one of these, but I can't tie myself to the Ford name. Got a clean Ram. Tacoma with a Camber kit. This is just outside. It's a pretty nice truck's outside. My truck all the way right there. And then inside is where all the good stuff is. Super clean GMC with the Baja kits. Damn, this thing has Baja kits. It's this clean. I haven't seen the Baja kits on this truck, but with the projects, pretty clean. Trucks with Dirt King. This one hiding a little supercharger. Look at this freaking tow setup. This thing is so crazy. Like, dude, I wish I had some shit like this. I'm pretty sure this Bug has an LS too. Oh no, it's a Ford motor. Oh, no wonder. LOL LS1. That's so sick. This thing is where it's freaking at right here. So sick. I want to do this to my bypasses so bad. I want to fucking coat them black. Finned reservoirs. Blitzkrieg, of course. Damn, this thing is so clean. I love seeing black trucks. You usually never, like, everything here is usually like white, silver, gray, but the black, so hard. Damn. Super clean. Super clean LSK kit. Damn. Full cage with the PRP seats. Full length rear end. This thing is so crazy.
The next day.
All right, fam. So we got another package from Lasfit. Again, Lasfit, I love you. Thank you for sending me all these care packages. We are changing out the Z71 floor mats. These are kind of beat up and kind of old, for some new Lasfit ones. We're gonna do a quick comparison and see how much better these are. If they are better, or if they're not, I'll be the judge. Okay, so I just took them out. As you can see, these are the Z71 ones. Obviously, these are a little bit used and a little bit beat up, hence why we're changing them out. This is the Lasfit ones. These are actually super nice. They don't have the holes, so you don't see like where these things clip in, which is kind of nice. The pattern is a little bit different. Pretty much construction is similar. This one does go a little bit higher. This one doesn't necessarily go a little bit higher. I mean, this is how high it goes, the Z71 ones. And then let's put in the Lasfit ones. Overall fit and finish of the Lasfit, it's pretty nice. I mean, they don't go too far up. They don't need to go too far up. The fitment is fairly good. I mean, it's actually pretty spot on. Obviously, it's rubber, so like the heat, they need to get acclimated to the floor a little bit, so like the heat will like help this like go back to where it needs to be. But these actually are pretty good. Let's change the rest of them. Okay, so this is the rear. It's pretty nice. This one is one piece in the middle, and this one, these are actually two pieces, so you got to separate them from here. So it's kind of nice that it's actually one piece. These kind of go farther back behind this plastic or whatever this is. So let's see when we take this out how this one looks. Looking pretty good. The rear fits pretty tight where it needs to go. Obviously with like some of these little pieces that stick up, when it gets hot it'll fit more. I wonder if I could tuck this in underneath of this. Maybe I can, but I think I kind of like it how it sits. This looks pretty good. Dude, you guys over at LazFit are the freaking best. These look so good. Like the quality of their products are super good. Like I'm comparing them to the Z71 ones from the dealer. That option is like $600 extra if you want those. The LazFit ones, they're like $136, and they're literally of like the same quality as the Z71 ones. The Z71 ones just have like the metal plaque that's not even metal, it's plastic, and they scratch. Versus the LazFit ones that are like laser etched, which in my opinion are a lot nicer. I'm gonna put a link in for you guys to check these out because these are freaking good. Oh, dude, this thing looks so freaking good. I definitely need to get it washed though because it is a little musty. But look at Lil Jeep. Lil Jeep's pretty nice too. But damn, look at the comparison of the size. This thing is way smaller compared to this. They're pretty good together though. I wouldn't mind building one of these. I'm not a fan of Jeeps, but I feel like if I built one of these, it would be pretty cool if it was like a similar spec of this, but definitely black and not white. Ooh, it's raining. Closing out the video here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.